Hello, my dear friends. Today we are going to learn how to do embroidery flowers. Already we learned how to do 5 embroidery flowers, and this is the continuation of that. I have attached the link of our previous video under the description section. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss any update. Embroidery floss. Most patterns list color suggestions using standard 6 cotton embroidery floss. There are lots of brands and other floss materials to experiment with. Your design will let you know how many threads to use, 1 to 6, depending on how thick of a line the design calls for. You can separate your floss easily by pulling out one strand of a time with one hand and holding the remainder of the threads with your other hand. Needles. I recommend grabbing a variety pack of embroidery needles with a few different sizes. Your needle size will depend on your design, what stitches you are using, how thick your threads are, and your own personal preference. The 3 main types of needles used for embroidery have longer eyes than those used for plain sewing. This makes them easier to thread, particularly when using more than one strand of floss. All 3 needles come in a range of sizes where the higher the number, the thinner or smaller the needle. Depending on the size of floss being used, the correct size needle can be used to create the appropriate stitch and leave a minimum size hole once you move the needle through the fabric. Straw or milliner needles have an eye and shaft that are equal in thickness, which makes them ideal for French knots and bullion knots or any stitch where the needle must pass through multiple wraps of threads. Chenille needles have a long eye like the eye on tapestry needles, but a sharp point, and can be used effectively in creole work and ribbon embroideries or any surface work where a longer eye and a sharp point is desired. Tapestry needles have long eyes and blunt points. They are used for countered work, drawn thread work, canvas work, or other types of needlework in which the point of the needle is not meant to pierce the fabric threads. The blunt tip of the needle helps us avoid snagging the foundation stitches. hope you use this a tiny stitch in some of your own projects, and I hope to see you soon in my new one, so remember to subscribe. I would like to hear your feedback, and you can leave them under the comment section as well.